Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all are fine and doing well. Today we are studying multiplication and division word problems. Today's class objective is that you after this class will feel no difficulty in solving word problems relating to multiplication and division. Problems. You have to keep in mind these 4 steps. The first step is to read the statement or to read the question, to read the problem. Read the problem or question until you don't understand. When you understand that question, then you are able to plan. Afterwards, you have to plan that what are you going to do. After planning, the last step of solution comes. You have to solve afterwards, obviously. But students, just remember this thing as well, that each word problem has 2 parts. The first part question provides you information about the object or the thing which are you discussing about. In the second part, question will ask or will require something from you. For problems, many people face confusions that whether they should divide the numbers given or they should multiply the numbers given in the problem. For this confusion, remember every time that you have to notice that whether the total number of amount which is being discussed in word problem has that been given or not. I mean total number of amount has been given or has been not. If it has been given, then it is so accurate that you have to divide that total amount into groups. If not, then you have to multiply. For understanding these things or this trick, you just have to understand the coming example. As suppose Sarah gets 15 stars in 3 months. Question is providing information. Notice, Sarah gets 15 stars in 3 months. Can you obtain the total number of stars in each month? The question is saying that 15 stars are total. Now you have to come to know that whether in each month how much was the number of stars that Sarah has gotten. Let's look at 15 stars and divide them equally into 3 groups as we have 3 months. As you know that division was the name of distributing things equally in groups. Okay. If what was the total amount? 15 obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 stars. We do have 15 stars. Now we have to divide them into 3 groups because we have 3 months and we need to know about the each month. So let's divide. First month, this one is second month, and this one is third month. We have distributed stars equally into each month. So in each month we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Now we have come to know that each month or each group contains 5 stars. As you may have noticed, the total amount was given to us, which was 15. We divided 15 into 3 groups. And in the answer, we got 5. 5 items or 5 stars in each group or in each month. If the same question is given you for multiplication, then it will look like this, that if Sarah has obtained 5 stars each month and she has gone to school for 3 months, let them be March, April, May, then how much total stars she has gotten at all? How much stars she has gotten at all? This at all word is a clue to the multiplication, and you can see that total amount of stars is missing from here. As it is provided to us that there are 3 months. How many months? There are 3 months. And in each month, question is saying that Sarah has gotten 5 stars. So let's look at 5 stars in each group or in each month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now by counting these all 5s, I get 15. So 15 is the total number of stars that Sarah has gotten. Moving ahead towards our problems, which is going to be described in today's class. Here which is saying that if a toy factory produces 285,000 toy cars in 1 week, then how many cars will it produce in 214 weeks? We have read, now we are going to understand. Just look carefully. It is saying that toy factory produces 285,000 cars in 1 week. Amount of 1 week. Okay, amount in one group. Then, as weeks are grouped over here, then it is requiring that how many cars in 214 weeks? Did you guess? What are you gonna do? Let's lessen the amount. Suppose toy factory has produces, let's suppose toy factory has produces 5 cars in 1 week. Then I ask that how many cars toy factory will produce in 3 weeks. What will be the operation sign between these two things? As you can see, it has given you amount in one group and it has asked you amount for 214 groups. Total amount is missing from here. Then it is multiplication. We have to multiply this, as we know that 5 3s are 15. According to our example, toy car produces 15 cars in 3 weeks, but question is asking coming to real question. Question is asking if a toy factory produces 285,000 cars in 1 week, how many cars will it produce in 214 weeks? So 1 week, you will write in solution. So we have to multiply 285,000 with 214 to get our answer which the question is requiring. So let's solve this question. Question said that the toy factory produces 285,000 cars each week. How much do they produce in 214 weeks? Okay, we have to multiply as our multiplicand and multiplier are ready. So after multiplying this, we will get the product. Product should be found by your own self. Okay, So this was multiplication. Now let's move whether next question is requiring from us which procedure. I mean which operation, multiplication or division. Here's the problem. It is saying that Aisha withdraws 6,10,000 rupees from her bank account. She wants the money in denominations of 500 rupees. I mean, she wants the amount in the value of, or you can say that in the she wants this amount in 500 rupees notes. How many 500 rupees notes will the bank clerk give her? Let's understand the question. Question is saying that Aisha withdraws 6,10,000 rupees from her bank account, and she wants this 6,10,000 rupees in 500 not. So it is saying that 6,10,000 is the total amount, and in we should divide these into groups, and each group will contain 500 rupees. So if each group contains 500 rupees, we have to divide as total amount is given to us, and amount of numbers in a group is also given to us. Now we have to divide this total amount into divide this total amount by 500 to obtain the result which the question is requiring about. The question provided us the total amount of 6,10,000 rupees. It was told that she wants it in 500 rupees notes. So if each group contains 500 rupees, now we have to find that there are how many groups. We have to divide 6,10,000 into by 500. As we have dividend, we have divisor. Now we have to find the quotient or our answer. As described in last video, that quotient is also known as answer. We have to find our answer. That is your task. You have to solve, and you have to fill this blank with quotient or answer. Both are same. So my dear students, here's the surprise for you. This is the question, which is puzzle type question. You have to find it out. Find the blank by yourself. I have given no choice. You have to find what will come in blank. As the blank is the statement is saying that there are 2520 is the smallest number that can be dashed by all digits from 0 to 9. I mean, any operation will be applied on it, or I don't know, that all 4 operations will be applied on it. So 2520 is the first amount among all numbers, is the smallest amount which can be, I don't know, added, subtracted, multiplied, divided. You have to find it, that it should be multiplied, added, subtracted, divided. Any one of them or all of them you have to find, and it should be applied all 4 operations or any operations, but with all numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on to 9. Okay, for all numbers it should be true. Whether you add, whether you multiply, whether you divide, it should be divided by 0, it should be divided by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 7, by 8, by 9. Each digit should perform, and each digit should give an accurate answer. I hope so you have understand. So good luck students, wish you a very good luck for your surprise and for your homework. And just remember that you have to do your homework. These two questions was also taken from your textbook. The next the next picture attached in the attachments is your homework, which is on page number 33 and page number 34 of your textbook. You have to do 4 questions homework today plus this surprise question for you. So you are given 5 questions homework for today. I hope so you'll submit this homework very soon. Good luck to your students and goodbye.